Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak kami akatanat kampo yeng ubak Preston tensong ulaong baka jing tohkit kadang ya syakmat ban lap ya jingsylla la jingjia jong kajingakan at badangshen Rilum Garo kadai ni ke badan jingsylla sain pyrthei. Kajing tohkit kadang ya syakman ya mentahi ngamla banong ngimpat poi satya syakbakut kumta ai baka jing tohkit kan ya syakman ong ubak Preston habakren syakilat pthai kubor hak arpo terik leber habakali la jingjia jong kajingakan at kadai ni ke badan jingsylla sain pyrthei. Ubak Preston ulaong bala batha ru ikibor penyai distrik bat ya kipulit banlong ki bapit ngor bha kamtam namar kajinglet niam it kelanang hajan kenang men pentikna bakan kajinglet kemen kenlong kebayat bet ya renti. Kani kajingkan tho jong ubak Preston kelawan long ru hadin kajingakan at kebadangkaan namar kajing berngem jong giseng balang ban penjuri kajingaki lada kasorkar kampelat no mardor kinongelam kibasyakem halur kajingaki kebadangshen Rilum Garo.
Is on, I can't say right now. We are yet to reach the conclusion, so let the investigation goes on. No, the stand of government is let the law takes its own course. It's very clear. Those who are involved in this kind of criminal activities, nature of, so law is there. So we can't compromise on that. Already instructed the district administration as well as the law enforcers to be more proactive on this issue, and will make sure that the celebration is smooth and it goes well as planned. See, as I said to you, let us see first, because it is the duty of this council. Why should I encroach the authority of the district council? The district council, as I already told you, they have the legislative power. So why should I tell them consult A, B, C, D? It is their duty, it is their prerogative to do it. So therefore, because we fixed that even the governor has notified that special session will be there for 2 days, 23 and then 24. The agenda is very clear. Number one issue is about the amendment of any rules, and point number two is about the vote on account.
Okay.
Budget.
So amendment will be which will enable to bar the non-tribals from taking part in the.
No, I can't say anything on that. Let the amendment be passed. Then only I will tell you.
No, it's a section
Correct.
128 of the AD rules.
See, AD rules does not mean only 1 to 8. We have 8, we have 7, we have 6. So don't come to conclusion. As I said, to let the amendment be taken place. Then let us see. We have to honor the thing. We have to respect the decision of the house. How can I explain to you right now?
Okay.
You understand my point? So we need to wait till the house adopted or passed the proposed amendment.